Time to start again. Let's see. Got more metal today. Ready to rip. So today is day 2 of the Can Am stretch. I bought some more metal. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this piece. This is actually a 12-foot length. I'm gonna cut it in half, exactly 6 feet, and then place them right there, right in the 2 little holes, and then we'll see. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is make the little bracket to hold the diff, and then with that I'm gonna start measuring everything, and then the next thing will probably most likely be make the trailing arm mount, and then we'll move forth, and we'll see. So as you can see, I cut that first piece metal with the grinder, and I stuck the pieces inside. Oh man, it's gonna look good. Got the 2 pieces here. What I'm gonna first do is weld on a couple of tabs here to hold the lower 2 mounts, because I need to make the two little brackets for the bottom holes. So it's down, down, so I pretty much have to replicate this right here. So these 2 holes, to make them back here. So a little tab there, a little tab there, done. That's it. And I'm gonna use this plate right here. So I have to mark it up, cut it, and yeah, let's do it. So what I'm doing now is I'm cutting 2 little brackets to pretty much make this bracket right here. So I'm gonna cut them now with the machine, and then we out. So I've actually used the machine to cut the plates, the brackets. They're still hot, and it's actually cutting them pretty good. This thing cuts, I mean, that piece was 8 inches wide, and I was able to cut it pretty good, better than using a grinder. So that's the brackets for now. I'm trying to make something there that'll work. I kind of drew it up, the stock one. Watch, you can see it. The stock one there. Drew it up there. Maybe I'm gonna make it just straight, simple, easier to cut, but we'll see. So here we are, we finally made the brackets. You see, I'm gonna clean them up now. Pretty good. I just had to do some cutting and stuff, but I got it done. Maui! Continuing on. I just finished cleaning off the 2 brackets. So these are the brackets that I made for the diff. So these essentially are gonna go on here, and it goes something like that, and then that's how it's gonna hold those 2 bolts for the diff, and the other one is identical, so it's gonna hold something like that. Obviously this is a lot longer than what it is, but pretty much it's the same is this here. So yeah, now I'll probably put it on the diff, level it, tack weld it, and then we'll see how it holds. So yeah, I'm gonna use the welder now.
I pick up the dog poop, I clean the dishes, I walk the dogs.
Wow, baby, that's good.
You don't do
Sit
nothing
to the camera.
in this house.
Sit to the camera. Okay.
Can you help me with the laundry, please?
Maybe.
Is that a yes?
I'm almost done, baby. For today. Watch out, no big knife.
Okay.
What? What the? Why is it? I think that's good for now. I've never welded before. Well, I have, but not with this gas. That's for now. I'm just tacking it up. I have to test it out now. You see? Ooh. That should be strong enough for now. I'm gonna test out the diff, place it, and then weld it completely. Wait for it. Oh yeah. Look at them welds, brother. I just tack welded now, but I was just test fitting everything, seeing if everything looks good. Diff angle looks pretty good, I can tell you that. Oof. That looks great. Now I just gotta cut these out. You gotta obviously put this a lot closer, but it's looking really good. So we finally did the mounts for the differential. I think we're gonna stop for today. Tomorrow I'll take the diff off and weld everything. Yeah, just get that finished up, and then baby, show them this. Come here, baby. So all this, I'm just gonna chop it off, probably like around here or something, and then make this probably a lot closer here. I'm gonna leave, I don't know, a couple inches for this, and then that's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna make the trailing arm mount. That's gonna be a little fun project, and then yeah, keep moving from there. You like my welds, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Look at my welds. Professional. Never welded in Mexico. No, just kidding. I just tacked weld it. Tomorrow I'll weld it good and grind it off because I don't know how my welds are. But hopefully it'll hold. It'll break in half. So yeah. Peace.